Well, that doesn't look promising. So much for doing auto body work. As you can see, it's raining outside, so I found this piece of metal right before it started to rain. I was thinking that I needed a very low profile slapper. I thought maybe this thing would make a nice one. I would just clean up the metal a bit. I could actually split this and probably make two slappers, one with a handle and one with a handle here. So I'm thinking anyway. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, shaped and filed, and maybe make a slapper, maybe make a failure. We'll see. You can see just the slightest wow, not the big one, at the bottom of the flat. It tips this way, just a hair. So I want it to tip the other way. I'm going to put it in the vise and beat the living life out of it. So yeah, I'm getting better at this not swearing thing. As you can see it better there. Brute force will save the day. It's pretty decent for flat. We'll roll with it. Do some shaping, clean it up, smooth it out, make it look nice. Round bar handle. There we go. Little over an hour. Good little slapper. Definitely good to slap a bitch with. Oh, I swore again. If you got anything out of this video, give me a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll do some more random car shop, whatever kind of work. Till next time, remember, quit sitting around playing video games. Get outside and get it done. Not bad for an hour's worth of work for a guy wearing sandals.